Okay, you guys, so we will be using our DeWalt fastener right here. Had this for years, okay? Never reviewed it because I had this before I even had the channel. So basically what you do is put a bullet in here, put your nail in there, and then put a bullet in and then shoot. I use this to frame my whole basement. When I frame my whole basement, the bottom part, I use these shots. Boom, shoot it in. Right? We got purple, we have glue, more purple, more glue. When you buy stuff from the store, when you put purple on, you basically are done with your warranty. So make sure you think about that before you put purple on. This one too. Yes. All right, gasket.
Yep.
All right. Slide it in. Yep, perfect. Perfect.
There you go.
All right, now we good to go. Yeah. So you do. That should be able to sit.
That's it. We're gonna lose like an inch. That doesn't matter.
No, it don't matter. We'll clean it if it don't work. Then it's spare blankets. We got a whole bunch of blankets.
Yeah, put this on. Okay. Got you. All right. Just put me a little bit inside at the edge. On the edge. There you go. That's good. See what happened?
Okay.
Agree?
Agree.
Glue that one.
Ready?
Yeah. Don't put too much in there.
Go in there.
Just a little bit on it. All right.
Go ahead.
Get ready because we're gonna glue me that one.
Do it again.
Glue this one in here. A little bit light, very light.
Ready?
Yeah.
This is the end. All right. Go ahead.
Oh, it came out good.
You got it?
Came out good. Came out good. 11 3/4.
Yeah. 11 3/4.
All right.
This is fine.
That's fine. That's shot good. All right. Put this in here.
All right. Ready?
Yeah. Okay, on the edge. Thank you.
All right.
And then you have a little bit in there. All right, Marcus.
Closer to you. There you go. Perfect.
That's open. That's close.
Closing.
Close.
Woo! Let it fill up.
That's good.
Yeah.
That's good. We got open, close.
Right.
We got the system
Now,
running.
now I could do my thing, download the app. All right, ladies and gentlemen, and we are finally done. I did do some modification because the connections that I had was PVC. Well, not PVC. The connections that I had was CPVC, 3/4 thread, female thread, and it was starting to leak. It wasn't that bad of a leak, but it was starting to leak, right? So I said, you know what, let's change it. And I forgot that they had Sharp Bites connectors, female thread connectors. We already had this 3/4 Sharp Bite connector. Now, the reason why I got the Sharp Bite connectors is because if something happens, it malfunctions, or later on in the future, I want to change to something new, then all I have to do is take it off, shut it off here, take it off of this Sharp Bite, and then take it off of that Sharp Bite. Or vice versa, take it off of this Sharp Bite here, and then Sharp Bite right there. If I have any problems with this. All right, so that's it. It works. We definitely put a lot of tape, not a lot of tape, but a good amount of tape on this one because this one was leaking and this one wasn't leaking. So we do have tape there, and they said don't put tape on theirs because they already have a washer with theirs, but we put tape on this thread.